your thing.
Hi.
Okay.
You connect?
Get connected for free.
Get connected for free with Education Connection.
What's going on, bro? How you doing today?
How you doing?
I'm good, man. How you like this?
What's that? Peterbilt? Looks pretty good.
Is it automatic?
Oh,
Okay. Yeah, mine's automatic. I like it better.
you like automatic?
Yeah, because I don't have to worry about shifting, you know? Huh?
Air clutch.
What?
Air clutch.
That's weird.
It's soft, a lot softer.
Oh, okay. That's what's up.
You're in traffic, your legs not tightening up.
Yeah. All right, bro. You too.
Hush.
That makes a world of difference.
It looks better. It's not folding, huh?
Nope, but it makes such a difference.
Yeah.
Like crazy. Yeah, I'm trying not to agitate it, but yeah, it's not moving at all.
Good.
Oh wait, are we on the thing? Get on the thing.
I think I'm on the thing.
You're not. I hate the circular ones. They're so annoying.
I hate all of them.
Yeah, and Irvine, they're starting to put cameras on all the intersections, but this one's a little older.
Yeah. I see them in Beverly Hills, but they're like real cameras.
Well, that's what they are here. They use them like for the traffic, and if something happens, and they can review it. They knock two birds out with one stone.
So I figured out a way to kill two birds with one stone. Like this.
Also with this, I can hear my bike more.
Huh?
I can hear my bike more, and I like that.
I feel like my bike is noisy.
You see dude riding up here with his leg down the whole time? What the
I
hell?
didn't see
He
that.
just came to a stop like this, bro. I don't know exactly where this place is. It's 5, man. It's got big letters up there. I bet it's a closed parking area. So we're gonna have to wiggle our way in. You see the entrance?
Oh, I'm actually going to turn into it. An accident.
The parking entrance for this building?
That's on the back side.
How do we get
Go
there?
around the block.
Yeah.
Are these the chargers?
I mean, it'll work.
I mean, they're on and working.
Oh yeah, just get to it from the end there. Where's the Tesla charger? They faked us out. Wait a second. You're gonna park your bike facing down?
Yeah.
Do you wanna, okay. Yeah.
Kind of weird.
That's why I was gonna pull in forward there, but. Come on. Come on. Nice turn signal. Right, man. I hate people like that. They block the lane.